Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty. Snow squall warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a hazardous snow squall was located over Oakwood, or near New Castle, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially hazardous within minutes. Locations impacted include Penn Hills, Monroeville, Cranberry, New Castle, Greensburg, Indiana, Butler, Latrobe, Vandergrift, Homer City, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Elwood City, Homaker, Lindora, Arnold and Shanner Northview. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 81 and 109. Interstate 376 between mile markers 8 and 24, and between mile markers 83 and 84. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 4 and 7, and near mile marker 17, and between mile markers 54 and 57. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time.
All right.